This is August 24th, 2018. I bought this place in April of 2017, and there was nothing here in the ground. And I fixed it up, and a year ago, if you remember, this whole area was garden. And it was lush, and it was green, and it had flowers, and it had vegetables, and there were birds and bees and butterflies, frogs, bunnies, the whole deal. And then somebody decided that they didn't like me, or they didn't like the way things were. And they actively poisoned everything. With RoundUp, with bleach, with ammonia, with fabric softener, with bug spray, anything they could get their hands on. And all these plants that I worked so hard on, that I followed agriculture's backyard habitat plan on for the wildlife, all these plants that I had growing in here that you hated so much because you didn't understand what I was doing, they've all poisoned all of the wildlife. So now we have squirrels with tumors. We have birds that can't eat because their beaks are wrong. We have deformed butterflies. We have dead caterpillars because the RoundUp is so pervasive that it goes a foot to a foot and a half deep, straight through the roots of all of these plants that I've put in, not for me, I put in for the wildlife. So if you had an issue with me, you could have taken it up with me. But instead, you poisoned an entire ecosystem and everything that went with it. And I am so angry. Shame on all of you for, I don't know what you think you accomplished here. You didn't hurt me. I'm angry. You hurt all of the innocent little animals here. You hurt your whole neighborhood by poisoning my yard, because all of these animals migrate. Then they go from yard to yard, and they will spread that poison, and they will breed that poison, and they will continue to be deformed and die off. And you all knew what they were doing to me, all of you. And either you went along with them, you participated in this destruction, in this sustained assault on my family and my property and this habitat, or you stood by and you did nothing. So shame on you, shame on all of you. So when you go to church this Sunday, as most of you will, and you pat yourselves on the back for being such a good people, I am sure that your pastor, your minister, your preacher could explain to you how wrong, how bad you have been. I believe in the golden rule. You treat people how you want to be treated. And clearly, this is how you want to be treated. To have people trespass on your property, vandalize your property, poison your property, and poison you. I have had sinus migraines for over a year. My nose bleeds all the time. My ears bleed because of the toxins. You know that they are pouring fabric softener on my fence, that they are projecting fabric softener that I'm allergic to, which causes me asthma attacks. You know that they're projecting it straight through their screen window, straight at my door, so as soon as I come out, I can't breathe. You know all of these things are happening, and you have sat on the corner of Peninsula and flashed your lights. Yeah, I know who you are because I have video of you. Or you've stood over in Bob's yard or you've put up big, tall signal jammer equipment in your yards. You all knew, and you all did nothing. Just like everybody throughout history, prior and during every conflict, every genocide, every ethnic cleansing, every world war, has stood by and done nothing. If you go by my property and you shake your head and you say, oh, it's disgusting, look at all that trash. Why is it trash? Did you ever stop to ask? Did you ever offer help? Did you say, is there something I can do to make it better? No. No. You gossiped, you maligned, and you either did nothing or you helped destroy it. So, congratulations on being the most awful people, awful neighbors. While calling me the awful neighbor, I spend my time cleaning up after the destruction from my neighbors. I tried to make this little piece of land better for the world, for the earth, for Mother Nature, whatever you want. And you destroyed it all. You didn't destroy me, you destroyed the habitat. And all these little animals that are suffering. So, well done, really. Well done for just standing by and doing nothing, or just helping. Helping them terrorize us. Really awesome.